assignments up to date, okay? And well done. We are very happy that you have learned the rhyme with actions as well as you are completing your assignments perfectly. So children, today I am here to tell you one activity. Yes. Do you know we have discussed about windmills? Yes. So today I am going to call Dipali ma'am to show us how to make windmills. Wow! Isn't it interesting? Yes, it is. So children, now we will observe how to make windmills. Okay? Dipali ma'am is going to show us how to make windmills. You also prepare your windmills. Okay? And I would be very happy to see those windmills photographs. Okay? So kids, let us see. Come.
Good morning all of you. I am here to show you how to prepare windmill. Are you ready? Okay, I will show you. See, this is windmill and you want to prepare this? Okay, then see which material we require for this windmill. Look here. Craft papers. I made these cutouts. Then scissors, pin and sellotape. I'll repeat it again. We require craft paper pieces, scissors and sellotape. Understood children? Then let us start with the activity. Let's start kids. See, this is craft paper. Now we have to fold this craft paper in triangular shape like this and we have to press. Again unfold the paper and we have to fold from another side like this and again press it. Now we got two diagonal lines. Understood children? Now we have to mark with the pencil for cutting 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the same distance. Now we have to cut from the point to this point. I will show you. See, like this we have to cut till this mark. 1. Yes children, we have to cut this from the corner till the where we mark. Look here, till here. Yes, and this is last one. From 4 corners I have cut this paper. Yes. Now children, we require Fevicol for this pasting. We have to put Fevicol. We have to paste these corners till center. Okay. Then again we have to leave this side and alternate. Again this portion. Again next. See children, I have done with pasting. Now children, I have this paper cut out and we require 2 circle cutouts. So I am folding this paper and we have to draw circle on it. Yes. And we have to cut. Like this. Okay. See children, I have made these 2 circular cutouts. Now I will make hole with this pin like this. Okay. And I am going to paste this circular cutout in this center of the windmill. Okay, like this. Now I am taking another piece of paper, craft paper, for making handle like this. We have to roll this. Then I am making stand of this windmill. So I am rolling this paper with the help of paintbrush. But you can use, instead of this paper, straw also. See, like this. Yes, you have to roll tightly. And end portion you have to paste with the Fevicol. Yes. Yes. Now our stand is ready. So rotating this fan, we require, see, something over here in between stick and this fan. So we will make this part. Okay. For this I took one piece of paper and again I am going to roll this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Understood, children? We have to make this roll. And now again I am pasting this another circular part over here. Like this. Now I have pasted this circular part at the center of this fan. Can you see this, children? Okay. Now I am using this pin. Look here. Already we have made the hole and just so I will insert this pin in this fan like this. See, it is moving. Now I will add this straw. Just roll it here. Now I will add this row like this. Okay. And now last I will add this stick over here. Yes, children, look here. Okay, and my windmill is ready. See, I am going to put sellotape over here. It will not harmful to you. See, like this. Okay. Wow. See, children, and our windmill is ready. You want to do this same? Okay. Then you can do at home, and you have to take help from your parents for cutting the paper and for pasting the needle pin also. And you can share your photos with your ma'am. I'm going to see that. Okay. Bye bye.
Children, how was the activity? Learned it? See, I got your windmill here in my hand, which is so lovely. Yes, ma'am has shown how to prepare this windmill, and I know you have listened to her carefully. Okay, so prepare these windmills at home and send us photos. And remember one thing which ma'am has told you, that you have to take help of your parents. Okay, so do this activity and enjoy making windmills. Bye bye.